it's watching the weather, and it self-adjusts. And so rather than you having to go out to your garage and seasonally adjust it depending on what's happening with the weather, Skydrop does that for you. And so what happens in most cases with well, let's just call it a traditional, I don't want to call it a dumb box, but a traditional box, is you set it up, and if you're not actively changing it, it's going to water the same when you start it as it will until you change it or until you shut it off. Skydrop is constantly working on, the changes. So it's watching weather, and it's deciding, based on this weather, this is what I need to do. And so instead of changing, once a month or seasonally, just every couple of months, or even weekly, it's changing daily. It's looking at the day-to-day weather and making decisions and making adjustments based on the day-to-day weather. And so that's what makes it smart. That's what makes it a smart controller, is that it's dynamic. It's constantly looking at the weather, constantly looking at conditions and making a change so that we can conserve water and not just use it because it's on the schedule. It's going to change the way we water. It's going to change how much we water, and ultimately conserve that water that we need.